Come test drive the 2015 GS350. The GS350 boasts a powerful engine with a lot of horsepower output under its hood. Yet this beautifully built car remains a luxury sedan first and foremost with its plush interior, high-tech amenities, and impressive standard equipment, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, moonroof, power steering, HomeLink garage door opener, aluminum wheels. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.